Let us know about Microsoft PowerPoint. We are going to learn two basic things about MS PowerPoint. The basic 2 points are, the first one is how to open MS PowerPoint, and the second one is main areas, the main areas in the presenting window of MS PowerPoint. So let me tell, the first one is how to open MS PowerPoint. Right, in your system we can open in 2 or 3 ways. The first one is, if you are using MS Office package, the lower one like 2007, 10, and in that cases, through start button, I will write the path regarding that. Let me share the path of it. So click on Windows button, Windows, or it is called as start button. After clicking on that, just you'll get some information. After clicking on that, see unto all programs. In all programs, you click on Microsoft Office folder. Microsoft Office, you will get a folder. Click on that Microsoft Office folder, and in that you have to select MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the first way in which you can open your PowerPoint. So let me share the second one. This is the second one. Second one is that you can just simply right click on your desktop. Right click on your desktop, and here I will get few options. In that, click on new. After selecting new, you will get many options regarding the you will get many options. In that, you must click say Microsoft PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. So we have the third one is also through run command. We can open through run command also. If you go to the higher versions, like in 2019 version, you can directly search, like click start button or Windows button, start or Windows button. In that you can directly search, you can type directly PowerPoint. So these are the 3 ways in which we can open MS PowerPoint. So let me show you the second one, how to open MS PowerPoint in MS Office 2019. Okay, right? See, as I said you that right click on your desktop. Okay, right click on your desktop. In this we are able to see many options. In that, go to new option, where in new option we are also having many functionalities here. If you see here, it comes under, these all comes under Microsoft package. See, here you can find Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I am clicking on it. So immediately after clicking on that, I got MS Office PowerPoint presentation. So right, what about the second one? This is the first one, and let me check with the third one. As intimated before, start Windows, and see, I am clicking on the start button. In the start button we can search for PowerPoint. See, I typed power, immediately we got that icon and application, PowerPoint application. We can click on it. See, as soon as I clicked on that, we got the PowerPoint home option and PowerPoint got opened. So these are the two ways I showed you in MS Office 2019 version. So let us go to the second one, that is the main areas in the presenting window. The second one, main areas in the presenting window. So as we have already opened MS PowerPoint application, I am going to click on it. Yeah, this is the main you can say presenting window. So let me share a few things about this. So this is the overview of your presentation window. Like, at the top you can find file. These are all the tabs you can find here. I'll zoom it and I will tell you. So you can see here, this is the file tab. You can say file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, help. These are all called tabs. So here specifically we are pointing to file, and this is called as file tab. And in a similar way, and if you see this one, home ribbon. Home ribbon, in the sense why it is called as home ribbon means, as we click on the home button, home tab, everything comes under home. It may be groups or the commands inside the groups, everything, whole content in the home tab comes under home ribbon. So I will tell you about the ribbon in a few minutes, and later on this is what you are seeing here is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. It will be a title bar. This will be the title bar. So I have mentioned I have mentioned the area from here to here, which is comes under the font. This is called group. In a similar way, slides are one group. A clipboard, it is another group. And similar way, paragraph is one group. Drawing is another group. So coming to the bottom, this is notes session where presenter can write notes here. And coming here, this is slide views. These are the different ways we can view the slides. And this is the zoom option. We can maximize, minimize. The maximum we can zoom is I think till 400. I think I will show you that one also. Let us move to the explanation part. We'll go to the. So let us see the file tab. I am clicking on the file tab at the top. look onto here on the cursor. I'm clicking on the file tab. Immediately after clicking on the file tab, we can find options like home, new, open, info, save, save as, print, share, export, close. These are all the different options we are seeing under file options, file tab. So let me discuss about this file tab. File tab opens the backstage view. It opens the backstage view, which basically allows us to manage file and the settings of PowerPoint. You can see here the save and save as. These are used to save the presentation, and open exist one is open button and create new one is new option. So the other files related operations can also be executed from this view. Okay, right, see, as I said you that to open a new one we can click on new one, and to open the older things like what we have done before, we can click on open, or similarly we can see here the recent ones what we had done. Save, which means we can save the presentation. Save as means where we can change the name or change the destination or change the place where we want to save. So print you already knew that while giving a printout we can use print. Share, so let me click on print, so we can view this printer options. Share, share through email, we can share with people, save to cloud. So these are the different options. You can click on here export. We can convert these to PPT to PDF. We can show it like create a video, like we can create an animated GIF. So these are the different options. We can say it as a backstage view. This is a backstage view of file tab. And the second one I will go regarding ribbon. What exactly ribbon means? This complete image is called ribbon. So what does the ribbon consists of? Ribbon consists of mainly three components. The first one is tabs. As I said you, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, help. These all are called tabs, or we generally call it as menu bar or standard bar. So these are called tabs. First one is that among the three components we are having, the first one is tabs. Tabs comes under ribbon, and the second one is groups. As I said you before, pointing out this one, a font as a group. Similarly, clipboard is a group, slides are a group, and font is a group, paragraph is a group, and drawing is a group, and editing is a group. These are all the groups that comes under ribbon. Similarly, commands also comes under groups. What are commands? Commands are nothing but the things that are inside the group are called commands. Like if you consider the slides, inside slides we are having new slide, layout, reset, section, and again under clipboard you can find a paste, and in drawing you can find arrange, shape fill, quick styles, shape outs, shape effects. All these are called as commands. So we can say that a ribbon has three components. The first one is tabs, second one is groups, and the third one is commands. All right, yeah, let us move to the slide. So after completing the discussion on file tab and ribbon, let's move on to title bar. Title bar, this is at the top section of the window. It shows the name. It shows the name of the file followed by the name of the program, which in this case is Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Okay, right. We'll go to the bottom section. In this notes session, the presenter can add few note other than the note on the slide. He can add extra notes here. Okay, we can say it is for the presenter while doing the presentation notes. Okay, and here let me share about slide views. In these slide views we are having three types: 1, 2, 3. This is the normal view. What we are seeing is this is the normal view, and the second one is slide sorter view. This displays all the slides as a matrix. This views only views you to rearrange the slides. This is for the purpose of rearranging but not editing purpose. The third one is reading view, where we can if you click on it, we can easily for reading purpose it is useful. And this Zin comes under slide view, but it is a play button. If you want to play the presentation, we can click on this play button. And finally, zoom options. As you know about zoom options, these zoom options let you for a closer view over the text, or it controls consisting of sliders that you can move your cursor left side or right side, zoom in, zoom out. With the plus symbol we can zoom out, and minus is we can decrease, like we can decrease the percentage. So the maximum zoom supported by PowerPoint is around 400%, and 100% is indicated by the mark in the middle. Here you can see the small mark, that is the 100%. Okay, so these are the main areas in the Microsoft PowerPoint in the Windows presenting window of Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you guys. We have learned about file tab, home ribbon, title bar, group, notes section, slide views, and zoom option. These are the main areas. As I said these are the main areas in the presenting window of MS PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.